Okay, I had a couple of person who helped me find out my problem with my DeWalt laser. They're talking about trimpots on the motherboard on this laser, so I'm gonna open it again and trying to find those trimpots and checking with the voltmeter and try to see if it helped after checking all those things. So let's start removing all the screws. Sorry. By the way, it's a torque screw, and this is a T10X4. No, this should be the size of it. Okay, so these 4 screws are out. Okay, so nothing in here. So trimpots. Are they under here? Or under this board here? I'm not sure. Okay, there's one screw here. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not sure, but looks like the 2 white spots are the trimpots. I can see that I can put a screwdriver in it, but it looks like it is a they are sealing it or making like some Loctite. They don't want you to play with the trimpots. There's some white stuff on it to prevent them from moving, I guess. So I'm still gonna try to I'm gonna try to remove the white stuff and try to play with the trimpots. Okay, so I've put some batteries in. I'm going to check the strain before starting to play with it. So I hope you can see this. It's not very very strong even here. So I'm gonna stop now and trying to remove. I'm pretty sure it's kind of paint they put on the trim pods to make sure they don't move, I guess. Oh, not bad. So at last, let's check with the multimeter. I don't have any brand new battery. I'm going to check the output voltage. I don't know if you will see this. So it's 3.61. Somebody wrote 3.7, but 3.62 should be okay. So here on the board, vertical beam, 3.62. Okay. Usually at 3, 4, 5 feet, I could not see the beam. But looks like I maybe gain a little bit on the wall. Okay, I can put back this in place because can't do no more like this. Putting back that small screw here. Was right there. Needs to go further. Okay, I got it. You need to make sure that these buttons are in, so you tilt it like this, and there will be nothing preventing you from getting it in the proper place. Voila. Okay, now the contacts. Pretty sure the contacts are okay. Brought some sandpaper, but I'm going to scratch it a bit. The springs looks okay too. Don't know why should not be okay. Going to try to rub everything with alcohol. Rubbing alcohol. Okay. Put some rubbing alcohol in here. I'm using only this with my all my electronics. I don't think it will help with anything, but why not? Is there something else I can clean? Maybe I can clean this. So these are nice and clean. Okay, that gasket goes on this part here. Okay. I think I got a bit more life out of the horizontal beam. That was the one I was having a problem with. The vertical one was still in shape, if I can say. So, putting back batteries, testing again. Okay, last test, repairing my DeWalt laser. Problem solved. So playing with the trimpots and cleaning everything out. Look like it's working. Before the horizontal beam was dim a lot compared to the vertical one, but now looks like everything is working as it should. So if you like what you saw, leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and maybe you can share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.